Let's go for. Fingers crossed. Exciting. So far so good. Maybe not warm enough. Maybe a little bit too early.